Okay. I hope everything is clear in yesterday's class. If you guys have any doubts, so let me know. So would like to clear all that first. So if it is not, that's fine then. Okay. So yesterday, what all things we have covered? So we have covered what is sales cloud, what is service cloud. So what is sales in a general sales, not even as respect to the Salesforce. What is service as a part of real time life? Okay, so I hope we all are clear with the sales process, we all are clear with the service process. So what is sales and what is service? So in some simple words, if I'll say if I'm selling a product, that is sales. If I'm taking a services for that sale, that product, that is services. You can take any example for bike and all also. Okay, the same way now we can compare the things with today we are discussing about a very small project. Like I'm not going in the depth of the Salesforce, but yeah, first of all I would like to realize you. So how, where can we use this Salesforce, like in your real time implement, like whatever the around the world is happening. Let's say you have some college nearby you, you have some college sorry, some schools nearby you, where you can implement this Salesforce part. Okay, so Salesforce basically we can say let's take example, we have college. So it's a very simple example, everyone is aware like college and all. So like how can we implement the like college like Salesforce in the college. Okay, so first of all we'll have one college application. This would be the part of application. What is application? Application is, so if you'll go there, this is a app launcher basically. So this is a UI interface for Salesforce. So if you will go, so all these are the applications. We have different kind of application in Salesforce. You no need to be worried that I need to remind like remember all these things. You no need to remember anything here. Just remember about Salesforce, sorry, sales and service, that's it. Even sales is the most important thing. If you want to create your custom application, that is a different thing. So let's go with the sales now first. For example, so under this application, so we have so many tabs like opportunity, caught, lead, task, file, accounts, and all. Okay, these all are the tabs. Means these all are the departments. You can say this is a, my sales is a, my one let's say college, and under this college, so we have so many other departments. So under the college, so how, which department we can have? So first of all, you will enter in the college, right? So you have security, security department. You will face security department, means you will store all the information, info for security members. First of all, this is a one of the database application. You have database object where you will store the details for that particular security members. There can be so many members in your college. So after entering in your college, so what will you face? You might get a admin department, right? Or else we can say it's a finance department is attached with admin department. So we have admin, we can have one admin department where you will manage related to some finance and other things. Okay, so third, we will have like like whenever you will enter more in the college, so there will be a kind of electrical department, like computer department, and we have IT department, we have mechanical department, we have so many other departments also, right? So in this department, so we are going to store the information for the students. So whatever the students we have, so we will have so many students. Let's say in electrical we are like there are so many students are studying. We have around 50 students. In CS also we'll have like around 90 students. Like in every class we'll have a different kind of students, right? But college would be the same. Student would be many. One college will have multiple students, right? Similarly, we have one student object here. First of all, tell me, student, sorry, object or not? Like, I hope everyone is aware about the object. Anil, you know object? Money?
It's like storing a particular record for the like a lead or contact. Uh,
Not even for, yeah, that's the example for lead and contact, but this is not even the only the object. We'll have a two
mm,
type of object, custom and standard. Okay, so yeah, we'll go there also. So now this is our high level applications, like where you can consider with your real life. So we'll convert everything is in the technical way, but this is I my motive was just tell you the how to apply Salesforce in your real time. Real time is your college. So everything, whatever the information you have. So Salesforce is a CRM. So Salesforce is a CRM where here you don't have any customer. Here you have a student, you have a security staff, you have your whatever the teaching staff. Okay, so you need to maintain the good relationship with them on timely basis. Everyone will get emails, whatever the, if they are receiving a salary or they need to pay the amount, fee structure and everything, everyone will get a notification on their email. Okay, so this is the application for the college. Okay, so now let's go little depth in the Salesforce. Even basic thing, I will say not in depth. So we have a object here. We have object, and before object, so let me tell you one thing. For example, we have this box. Okay, so this is a box, and this is my one of the Flipkart application. This is a, let's say, Salesforce. We don't have any object here. We don't have any object here. So this is my Flipkart. So in Flipkart, I'm going to uh, fill my credentials. That credential is also storing in Salesforce. That is fine. Now, again, my personal information, my product information is also going. Personal information also going. Product line item also going. Like my delivery details, where I want to deliver the product, and yeah, payment details and everything. Everything is mixing here. Everything is mixed. Okay, so tomorrow if I'll tell you, so please tell me how many candidate has been logged in, just logged in. So what will you do? It would be very tough for you to identify how many members has been logged in, because everything is mixing up, right? So but as a best way, if I'll tell you, create a different tables, different tables, one table, second table, third table, and like multiple tables, I will say. You will create so many other tables. If you'll have so many other tables, so I'm saying, so if client is like they are logging, just store the information in this table. If I'm saying whenever they are filling product details, store this information in this table. Personal details, store here. If I'm saying something else, payment related things, store here. Now tomorrow if I'll tell you, bring all the login details, so you will say, yeah, these all are the login details, that I'm 100% sure these are the login details, because we are storing here, every we have whole here, like everything is separated, right? So we have insulation between all of them. So we confidently can say we have, this is a one of the table where we are storing login details, so this is a table where we are storing payment details, so you directly can give all these details, right? So it make the things easy now as compared to before. So we can say these are the database. What is database? Let's say we have mobile phone. Mobile phone has their own database. Means it's a storage. I have like 128 GB. I will say it's a storage for my mobile. That is a database for my mobile. Similarly, Salesforce also has their own database. So this is one of the object. We can say it's a table, database table. Sales in Salesforce language we say it's object, but general language, if let's say Oracle or some other technology candidate will not tell you the object, they will say table. You no need to be confused what is table. So this is table only. Okay, this is, these all are the tables. So we say technically object. It might be custom or it might be standard. Okay, so this is a table, this is different table, different tables. We have database means we are storing the data in all these table. That's why we say these are the objects. Okay, database table. So now we can have two type of object here. One is standard, and one is custom. Okay, standard object is basically is provided by Salesforce. Custom is created by us. Not even object. Anything in Salesforce apart from object. Let's say we have application, profile, role, permission set, anything. So whatever already existing in data, whenever you logged in, means whenever you create a new account, whatever things is existing, everything is standard. Whatever you are creating by yourself as per the business need, as per the requirement, that is custom. Okay, so even I can say whenever I have created a record, so these records is created automatically prior to my creation. So these are the standard records, not even custom records. Okay, and there is one more thing, very 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 important: data and metadata. So data and metadata. So always you will hear two words: data. What is data and what is metadata? So you no need to be confused here. Data means we have records is data. Apart from record, everything is metadata. Record means if I'm going to opportunity, I'm creating a new opportunity here. So if I'm creating new opportunity, then that is a means I don't have that button. I think it's hidden. So yeah, if I'm creating a new leads, so after creating a leads, so data would be created in database. So let's take example this one. This is my data. Apart from everything is metadata. Apart from this means these buttons, these buttons, let's say this logo code, new task, these tabs, means object, profile, permission set, everything whatever you have in Salesforce related to functionality. Everything apart from data, everything is metadata. Okay, so they might ask you what is metadata and what is data. So these are the differences between data and metadata. Hope this is clear, right? So this is data and metadata. So now, as I told you, like we have standard and custom things. It is in the object level, profile level, and so many other things. Is that clear or any doubt? By reply karo.
No doubt.
Bro, just once again explain data and metadata difference again. Just line of difference, please.
Sure, sure. Data means records. Metadata means apart from everything, apart from record. Record means what is record? Record is this is a record. Let's say, let me just create one record. New lead is coming. So in this lead, so I'm saying, oh, this is Amarjit. So web SFDC and let's say which. So this is my data. My data is this one. Amarjit Puri, Amarjit Web SFDC, everything is data. Means whatever values we have, not lead status. We have open not contacted, we have Indian rupees. So I can remove all these things. If I will delete this thing, nothing is going to be impact on my functionality. Let's say I have deleted this record and my running business is going in the production. My business is going continuously it is going. But suddenly if I deleted the lead means let's take a consider this is a custom object. This is not a this is a standard object, or let's consider any other custom object. If my business is going with that custom object, from the backend, if I deleted that custom object, everything would be vanished. Everything would be stopped, right? Because that is a part of business. That's a part of functionality. But in other case, if I will delete the particular record, nothing is going to be break because this is not a part of functionality. This is a part of data. This is only single data only. We are deleting the single things, not complete table, right? So that's why I'm saying whatever the part of functionality, even small to small things, even custom field also, everything is metadata apart from records. Is that clear?
Yes, it is clear.
Okay, cool. So this is data metadata. And tomorrow, like you guys need to be learn about how to create custom object and everything. I know everyone is aware about all these things, how to create a custom objects and all. So we'll not go to that much depth. So we'll have one motive to save the jobs and learn the good things in Salesforce. Because if we learn like in the depth only, like small things, then we are not going to cover the syllabus, and we even and I don't think so anyone has that much time. So these efforts you have to put it and ask me separately. Okay, whatever the important things, whatever the logical things, that I will clear. Okay, so but yeah, creation and everything you need to do, but yeah, as a on a high level I will tell you how to do that. So now we have two ways to create a custom object. We can go to object manager here, the lightning, and we can create if we have suppose we have so many fields. So many fields, what is field? Object is database table, field is database colon, database colon means under the table we have colons. So let's say if I'm going to Excel sheet. Okay, in Excel sheet, what do we have? So we have row and column, right? So we have row and column. So these columns, we have these fields, we can say A, B, C. Let's say here I'm writing name, phone, email. So we can say in name column I'm writing Amarjit. Okay, so in phone I'm writing my mobile number, email I'm writing amar@gmail.com. Okay, so we can say this Excel sheet is my object and these are my columns. So we can say complete is table. This is table, right? This is table. So if I'll make it table, so I can make a table like this. I will say this is my table and this is my columns. So database table is a object, database column is a field. Okay, so these are the differences, the column and table. Okay, so now let's go to create a let's create a custom object now. So we can go to the we can click on the create button. So if you want to create single object at the same time, or even sorry, single field on the same time, you will go to the custom object. Or if business given you the so many things, let's say business already given you name, phone, email address, and so many other things, so many other records. Okay, sorry, fields. So they already given you in the Excel sheet. Like let's take example 500. So if you will create a custom object and you will go one by one to create a field, so it will take so much time, right? It is very time consuming activity. So as a best way, what you can do, so let me just show you the example. Let's save this file. So always Salesforce is supporting comma separated, yeah, CSV file. CSV means this comma delimited. So whenever you are talking about the Excel sheet in Salesforce, it means we are talking about CSV file. Whether we are migrating a data, we are inserting, updating, deleting, whatever we are doing. Okay, that is CSV file, comma delimited. So I'm saying insert object. You might heard about the data, insertion of data, insert, update. So you never heard might be about the insertion of object using Excel sheet. Okay, so I'm going to create a object. We can create from custom object. There is a single object we can create here. So that's the one way. That's a manual activity. And after creation of this object, you need to create fields manually. So if you are creating an object with this one custom object from spreadsheet, we can click on that. What happening? क्यों ये से Okay, so now we have this Google Sheet CSV. See, it is also, they are also saying CSV file. You can have Excel file also, but CSV file always consider. They are giving a one more extra option, but CSV always they consider. Click on upload button and go to desktop and say insert object CSV. Now they will ask field mapping. So whatever things we have mentioned in the on the table, like in the columns, name, email, address, phone. Okay, same thing will be able to see here: name, phone, email, and address. So you can do the mapping. What's the data type for this one? Name would be text. This is only the manual steps you have to do here. But this is better than that manual activity. You are getting a records. So phone is phone, email is email, address is also, we can say, text area or something like that. Okay, so all good. So we'll go to next button, and whatever the object name you want to keep, so whatever Excel sheet name we have given, so same name of the Excel sheet you'll be able to see here. So if I want to rename this one, I will say college branch, just for example. Okay, so whatever the API names we have, so API name always be unique, so you should be aware. So that is fine. So I just given you example for 4 5 fields here, but there can be so many other fields also, like hundreds, 500s, and all. Like if you need to create your project from scratch on that way, so it's nice work. So we can go to now object manager, and we can just find it out whether it is created or not. So that was a college branch. Yes, college branch. College branch has been created now. So what is the fields? So all are the fields. So all are the fields. And there is one more thing. So you might be confused. So we didn't create so many fields, right? We have created only these 4 fields. How it all has been created. So whenever we create a custom object, so this is a custom object which we have created as per the business need. So whenever we do create a custom object, so always, so we have name field, owner field, and we have created by, last modified by, we have created date, last modified date. Okay, so these are the fields which will be created automatically. These are the standard field even in custom object. So whenever we are creating a custom object, all fields are created automatically. So what is the purpose of everything? So that I will tell you. Okay, so now you can see address we have created, that is fine. These are namespace, that's a different thing story, I will tell you later. So address we have created, so email we have created, phone we have created, and one more thing, address, yeah, name we have created, yeah, that is a custom name, right? So these are the fold fields we have created. So as I mentioned, so name would be created automatically. This is a standard name where we don't have underscore c. If you are able to see underscore c in Salesforce anywhere, that is custom. Where you are able to see only single name, I'm talking about API name only. So that's the standard one. So nothing is there, underscore c is not there. It means here, but here it is not. It means it's standard, 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 right? Everything is standard. So nothing is custom here, right? So but where you are able to see underscore c, that is custom one. Means standard we cannot delete. So you are able to see edit button here, right? But here you are able to see edit and delete button also. Means custom you can delete, standard you cannot delete. We can only simply edit but we cannot delete that one. Okay, you want to rename this one, you can do that. Yesterday, I think Gurpreet asked me the same question. Yeah, so you guys can do that. Okay, so this is also the one of the best interview questions. So they ask what all are the standard fields in custom object or in a object. So you will say these are the default uh, fields, and one is currency also. I missed total 7 fields. Currency.
Amarjit, I have a one doubt.
Mhm.
Can we hide standard fields on the page layout or not?
And no, standard field we cannot means standard fields. These are the fields, means let's say name. Name is a required field.
Hmm.
Whatever the required fields we have, that we cannot do that. Let's try this one also. That we cannot do from page layout. I think, see this one. So yeah, so branch name, this is a custom one. So this is a college branch. So college branch, this is a standard. So it means it red is this star, red star is showing, it means it is a standard one. So we don't have any minus button. I mean, minimize button here, right? So here we have minus button. Remove. See, remove. I'm hovering on this. Remove. Remove. So, but here there is no remove button, right?
Okay. Okay.
So, this is not required. Owner is not required. So this is not required. This is not, means red is not showing here. Red star.
So you mean if a standard field has not a required field, so then we can remove that, right?
Yeah,
Or
right,
we can
right,
hide.
right.
Okay. Yes,
Exactly. Okay. So,
got it.
but we cannot delete and we cannot do anything with that. We can rename that one, but API name also we cannot change. Okay.
Got it.
Yeah. All clear, Vikram? Vikram bhai, all clear? एक मिनट रुकना है. Sorry, man. Yeah. So, yeah, we were discussing about the fields and all. Yeah. So this is a way how to create a custom object and all, and these are the things in the Salesforce to create a custom object. So these are the standard field in the custom object. Apart from this, in custom is custom. This is clear, money, Anil.
Yes, yes.
Okay,
Yes,
good.
Amarjit.
Yes,
Right.
yes,
Okay, fine. So that's about this one. Now let's go to relationship. Relationship. So in relationship, so we have relation in a real time. Let's compare with real time relation. What is relation? Relation means we, like, let's say my father. Okay, I have a relation with my father. Means my father can have many childs. Just giving the example. Okay, so my sister, my brother, right? So means one parent can have multiple child. One child will not have multiple parents, right? Similarly, in Salesforce, if we have college, college will have multiple students, right? One student will not have multiple college. If you are a student, if you are if you are a student, so you have done the BTech from one college only, whatever the study you have done. Let's say BCom, BA, whatever. So you are a sorry, one college will have multiple students, but one student will not have multiple college on the same time. It can be changed, but on the same time, it cannot be multiple, right? That's true, right? Yeah. So now we are talking about anything. One host, one hospital. Let's say a hospital example. One hospital will have multiple patient. Multiple patient. One hospital will have multiple patient, but one patient will not have multiple patient. Sorry, one patient will not have multiple hospital on the same time. Right. So the same example we have like in Salesforce also. So we can create any object, anything. So that object will have multiple child records, one parent, and one child will not have multiple parents. The same way, let's compare with Salesforce. So if I will go to account object, as I told you yesterday, account is a company basically. Company means where we are working. So if anyone will ask you what is the account in Salesforce, you will say just simply company. Account is nothing, it is a company only. Okay. So it is company, and one company will can have multiple employees. Let's say we have contact. Contact is a child object. If I'll go there in the related, so in related we'll have multiple contacts. One, let's say if I will create this one is Amarjit Puri. Second student I'm saying Naman. Okay. So so this is second employee. So I'll just fill all the required details, and I'll just save it. So I have second also, right? Let me just open manually both of the records. Let's see what is the account for this one. Sorry, what is the parent for this one? So we have one account name here, web SFDC. Same, we have web SFDC on the top. Sorry, these are web SFDC on the top, right? So let's go to Naman. Naman also has the web SFDC, same web SFDC, because two parents is tagged with this contact. One parent is tagged with this contact. This is a one parent which is tagged with this contact. Another, every child will have one parent field. This is my, if I'm saying this is my child object, how will I get to know this is a child object? Because I'll go there, I'll go to the field and relationship. How will I get to know this is a child object? Like for which object it is a child object? I'll go to the edit relationship. I'll go to field and relationship, and where I'll see this lookup or master. If this is a lookup for account, means account is parent, this is child. So let me just see this label on the UI. This is the label, account name. Means, as I mentioned, if lookup is mentioned and whatever in bracket, whatever things is mentioned, means this is a parent object. And what is child object? Where we are looking this one. Contact is child, and this is my parent. So let's see another one. So user is parent, contact is child. User is parent, contact is child. So individual object is parent, contact is child. Similarly, whatever, yeah, contact is parent and contact is child, means it is self relationship, we can say. It has relationship with it, this same object also. It can be happened. Okay. So this is a kind of object we have, and these are the relationships. One object can have multiple sorry, one parent record can have multiple child records also. Now let's create our customer relationship. So this is a standard relationship. Okay. So how it looks like, let me show you. I'll click on edit button. So this is account name. If I want to select something else, let's say let's find any other account. So we have Amarjit in account. Let me just find out Amarjit. Why not showing here? Because my cache or something. Standard ही है ना ये मेरा. Contact पे हूँ मैं, account पे दिखा रहा. Yeah, there might be some filter criteria I have mentioned. Means we have some filter also, lookup filter. That lookup filter is enabled there. Okay, that will look in later. But let's go with the simple example with let's say with opportunity, or let's create new field here. Here opportunity new button nahi aa raha, don't know. So many activities already done in this work. Let's create a new relationship here. So we have these all are the data types. If I want to create name, field, text, right? If I want to create phone. If I want to create any number like calculation something, that is number. If I want, I'm talking about currencies, that is currency. Checkbox, true, false, this one, date, time, email. Everything is depend on the your business needs. Okay. So I want to create a relationship now. So we have lookup relationship, one to many. So now related to means which is a parent object. Let's say I'm saying my account is my parent object. Okay. So this is my like I have created the field. So which field I have created? So this is my field because as I mentioned, I have created my own custom field. There's a lookup relationship field. So underscore c is custom one. So I also have two fields here. One is lookup account, one is lookup account. So how will I get to know which one I have created, or which is standard, which is custom? So you can see the name account ID means underscore c is not there. Here we have underscore c means this is a custom one, this is a standard one. These all are the standard one. So these are the custom one, these are the standard one, this is the custom, these are custom one. And you can consider now, right? So now I can go to opportunity tab. Let's go there. Oh, I think न्यू का बटन नहीं दिखेगा यार. ओके एडिट से देख लेते हैं. Okay, so now we have account name is there, simple account is there. So I can go there and whatever the accounts we have, let's say as I mentioned, we have this Nagaraj company, Amarjit and Web SFDC. So we'll go there and let's find it out. So we are able to see everything account. Okay. So now we can have two different accounts and two different values, and let's save this one. Okay, this has been saved. So now whatever the company I have selected, so this opportunity would be comes under that one because I have tagged that one opportunity. So that is Arvindra Kumar. So which we have created. So one is this one. Let's go there and let's go to related. We will have two opportunity. One is this one. Another one is this one. Yeah, this is a web SFDC. So this is my opportunity. So we have two lookup field. One is standard, one is custom. For standard one, this is related. For custom one, this is related. So you might get little confusion here. So if you have, please let me know. I'll clear it out. Bolo brothers.
No confusion, bro.
Okay. Gurpreet.
Yeah, bro.
All good na?
Yeah.
Okay. विक्रम बोल नहीं रहा है यार.
All clear.
All good. Okay, fine. So this is a relationship basically. It's a parent to child, child to parent. So we also can have how many relationship we can create basically. Lookup relation total we can create 40 relationship. So we should have some limits. Limit, yeah, object limit. Yeah. So we can have total 40 relationship. Where is relationship? Yeah. Total 40 relationship we can create. Okay, these are the governor limits basically. I will tell you what is governor limit also. So this is a governor limit. There is a 40 relationship we have. So in 40 relationship, we can create 38 lookup relationship, two master detail relationship. We have two type of relationship. We have many multiple type of relationship, but basic important is two, lookup and master. We have many to many also, but there is also part of master. Okay, two relationship, lookup and master. Master is two and lookup is 38 we can create. 38 fields, two only master fields. Okay. So now let me tell you what is governor limit. So parallelly we'll cover so many things. This is very important things. Governor limit. Governor limit. Okay. So governor limit is basically, let me just give you an example. For example, I have this bucket, means हिंदी में बाल्टी. ठीक है. So इसके अंदर if I want to drop some of the water and some of the oil, some of the milk, some other lubricant material, whatever. So everything is there. Like it is increasing. It is increasing. It is, if it is a 5 liter capacity is 5 liter, and I want to keep like 6 liters. So definitely 1 liter would be waste, right? It will overflow. It will come out of the this bucket, right? Right. So now we can say what is a governor limit for this bucket. That is a 5 liter. If I'll make more than 5 liter, that would be the part of wastage, right? Nothing is be going to be beneficial in your scenario. So what we can do? So why it is 5 liter? Because capacity is 5 liter. If we'll make more than that, so that would not be possible. Now let's compare with your mobile phone. Your mobile storage is unlimited, means there is no storage. I'm saying my mobile is 128 GB, but if company is saying okay, for Amarjit we are giving unlimited storage, there is no storage, means no limit. So now I have stored 2 GB, means main logically thinking that should be 128 GB as per the processor and all, but we are company is saying like it is unlimited. So what will happen? My complete mobile will be hanged. It would be slow down. I'll not be able to use my mobile properly. I'll be it would be very hectic for me to operate the mobile, right? So what is the best way? So we'll recommend to company, please set the limit where we'll keep in mind, so we'll not overflow the storage, right? Mobile will also not be hanged. It will not be slow down. We easily can operate our work in the mobile, right? So now whatever the things will comes more than capacity, everything would be the problematic for you, for us. Same way, Salesforce has there the same things. So everything we say is the governor limit. It's a limit for everything. That's a governor limit is a technical words in Salesforce. If someone will ask you what is governor limit means there is a limit decided by Salesforce. If we are trying to exceed, if we're trying to exceed more than that, so that would be the governor limit exception we will get. So Salesforce has multi-tenant architecture, and Salesforce has given one limit for everything, not even one thing. Let's say these are the governor limits. So active lookup filter we can make it 5. Validation rule, how many active validation rule we can create? 100. Workflow rule we can create 50. Approval process 500. So if 500, if Salesforce is given like it would be 1000. Definitely it would be hang. Will not be able to operate the things. So Salesforce set everything in the limit. So that's why if there is no limit, Salesforce complete will be hanged. If I'll click on this home, it would be hanged. I'll not be able to operate. Now immediately we are getting a result. I'll click here. I'm clicking here. So in seconds, I'm able to see the result. But if it is overflowed, then definitely that would be the part of issue. I mean that would be the part of storage or governor limit. So Salesforce set the one limit where we cannot exceed more than that. I hope this is clear because this is very important words. So that's why I'm telling you. I'm giving interview around 7-8 years of experience or less than that or more than that. So this is a still they ask the same question to me. Okay. So this is governor limit. This is one lookup relationship which I have created that we can get 38 and we can get master detail also. So master detail we can never create in the on the standard object. Master detail we only can create on the custom object. Okay. So let me just try to create a master detail on account, means let me just try to create. So what is going to be happened? As I mentioned, we cannot create, but let me try it. See, I'm only able to see lookup. Master is not there, right? But let's go to the custom object. So how will I get to know is a standard? Because underscore c is not there. This is a standard API name. Let's go to custom now. Let's go to custom. I know my custom, let's say college branch we have created. So this, see, you can see all are standards, but where underscore c, that is a custom one. Let's go this college branch, and API name is underscore c. So we'll go to the field and relationship, create new fields. So let's see master is visible or not. So master is visible here, but in standard master is not visible, only lookup is visible. Okay, now let's create a master detail. So what is the parent object? We need to we can make it account or anything else. You can make it as per your understanding. Master detail is already okay under that account. So we have so many master details already created, so we cannot create more than two. So we can do one thing, we can create a we can choose any other parent object. Suppose we can make it branch. Okay, under the branch we'll have college branch, that is fine. Let's see. No, you cannot create a new master detail. Existing customer already, if record already exist. हमने रिकॉर्ड बनाए कहाँ है इसके यार? So one second. रिकॉर्ड तो बनाए नहीं हमने. But let me see another thing. Records. How it is possible? कोड तो हमने बनाए नहीं यार. Okay, got it. Record हमने बनाए नहीं, but record बन गए because so these are the tables we have created. So this table is basically considered as a blank value, null value. So we जो हमने custom object बनाया था, so that time so it is considering as a blank value. So that's why it is created as a records as a name ID. So that is true. So now we can, let me do one thing. Let me just delete all these records from database. Database to delete. Oh, sorry. Okay, so हमारे पास record, that's a zero records. We'll have select from record. So zero not record exported. Now we can create easily. ब्रांच से बनाते हैं. Okay, master detail has been created now. Master detail has been created now. Okay, so now we need to create a tab for this object, college branch. If I want to see whether it is required or it is custom, so master detail field is always be required. Lookup field always be optional. Okay, lookup field always be optional. Master detail always be required. So now how can I check this one? So I'll go to tab. Let's go to setup. भाई किसी का कोई क्वेश्चन हो तो पूछ लेना यार, जो लग रहा है स्पीड ज्यादा है, सो आई थिंक कि लाइक इट शुड बी लिटिल स्लो डाउन। सो कस्टम टैब ऑलरेडी बना हुआ है क्या? ओके, ऑलरेडी क्रिएटेड। Okay, so this is my object. We're trying to create a new record. So all these fields we have already created: name, phone, email, address with Excel sheet, right? So this is a branch now. This branch is required. You can say star, red star. It is required. So if I'll fill everything and I'll save this one, so I'll be able to see this one branch. This is required. But if I will create a lookup, if I'll create a lookup field, then that would be the option. Let's create a lookup also with branch, same branch only. We can say branch lookup. We cannot have the same API name for two fields. That's why I made it different from previous. Now let me refresh my page. Now you guys can see we have two. Sorry, it is created or not here. This is lookup and lookup. Yeah, it is created. Here it is created. So now we have two fields here. One is lookup, as I given the name lookup, and this is my master detail. You can see this is simple branch. Sorry, is there here. Simple branch is simple branch. This is my branch lookup. This is my branch lookup. You can say branch lookup is lookup, branch is master detail. So if I'll see master detail, what is master detail? It is required field. If we, whenever we create a record, so we need to fill the value here. We cannot keep as blank. But if I'm filling a value, let's say as a branch, I'm just considering anything here. So I'm just creating a dummy record. So many things are here. I think there's a manage package, define repository. Branch is required, that's why I have created a branch. No need to be confused what I did it. Just simply I created a branch only. Okay, so branch is there now. So now branch is there. So I need to fill these details because it was throwing error. So I'm not filling anything here. Let's try to save now. Now it has been saved, because we can say now lookup is optional, master is required, right? So it is mandatory. But one more thing, if I will delete master detail, master object means we have master means parent object, child is child object, detail means child object. If I will delete my branch object, branch fields, branch record, sorry. Okay, branch record I'm deleting. So let me just close everything here. Let me just make it simple. Yeah. So this is my branch, college branch. So this is a record. So you know what is the parent record of it? This one is a branch one, 000, and 000 is a my branch, and this is my college branch. Means one college branch, under this branch I have a college branch, and parent of this branch we have this branch parent. So always field will be created on your custom object only, not on parent object, relationship field. Okay, so now we have this one. Let's try to delete this record, parent record, not child record. Parent record I'm deleting. Let's see what is going to be happen with child record. Child is also related to this one. अरे क्या हो गया? Problem tried if अच्छा, so this is a part of manage package यार, मुझे लग ही रहा था. It will throw some error. Issue. Let's see. क्रिएट हो गया क्या डिलीट, पता भी नहीं लगा यार. 1 second. College branch should not have any record now. Yeah, it does not have any record. It has been deleted actually. Yeah, it is deleted. Yeah, that's fine. So जब भी आप parent record को, whenever we are trying to delete the parent record, child record is also get deleted automatically in case of master detail. In case of master detail, but nothing is going to impact in child records. Why it is generally happening? Because like this is a required field. If it is required field, so what, when we create, let's say I'm saying Amarjit. If I am deleting Amarjit from top, so this record is tagged with this record, which is a child record. Whenever it is going to remove, let's say it is that is deleted from there, it is removed. So now it will say I need this value. Not if recorded delete, parent recorded delete, at least in child record field, I need that value, whatever the name. But that is not there now. That has been deleted. So now with the help of that, this complete record will also be get deleted. It is a cascade delete relationship. Okay. So 1 second. Yeah. So this is about a master detail. So even one more thing, we can create a roll-up summary on master object for the child. Roll-up summary means we can calculate maximum, minimum, and everything. Let's say I have college, I have branch, and I have college branch. I have branch, I have college branch. One branch is parent, college branch is child. In college branch, we have one of the let's say fees. We have one of the fees object, fees of field. There is a data type is currency. Data type is currency for this fees field in this object. So if I can have multiple fees, multiple student. Let's say first student has different fees. Okay, in currency, I have another student. Okay, so I have third student. I have fourth student. I have fifth student. I have so many other students, right? I can have. So if I want, let's say I'm running my own business. I'm the owner of the branch. I'm the owner of the college or the university. So what will I will never do. I will not go to each and every records, right? What is the fees for this student? What is the, I have like 20,000 students. I will not go to each student, right? What will I do? I'll say university or branch is a parent and these are the childs. I want all the calculation of every students. So what is the total for this amount? How many students are working in my college, like studying? So I'll say total 5 students is in your college. 5 student. That is the first roll up summary functionality, which is counting all the child records, which is total 5. Second count is I'm saying tell me the maximum salary, sorry, maximum fees which student is paying. That is we are saying it's a 50,000. I'm saying what is the minimum fees they are paying. Any student, what's the minimum fees? We are saying that's a like 1,000. We are saying what is the total fees? Calculate, please count the total fees of every students and tell me what is the revenue for our college, means our university or whatever. So it's a total sum. Total sum means calculation of this currency. Let's say here we have this student is paying 20,000, 20,000, and this is paying like 30,000, and this is paying 40,000. So whatever. So everything is summarizing means sum of everything, and it is total here. So let's say it's a 50 lakh is the sum for all. So this is the functionality for my roll up summary. So now you are, I think this should be clear where this roll up summary field will be created. This is on child or parent? On parent only, right? Because we are counting all the childs and we are populating on the parent only. So now let's try to make for branch. ब्रांच फील्ड नहीं है यहाँ पे बट अकाउंट के लिए देखते हैं बन जाएगा कि नहीं आई होप या बन जाएगा लेट्स गो टू अकाउंट लेट्स गो टू एडिट ऑब्जेक्ट ठीक है रिलेशनशिप go to new go to roll up summary. This is a roll up summary. I'm not going to tell each and everything, but these are the important lookup master, not even action lookup master and the roll up summary and formula field. Rest of the things you guys can do by yourself. Let's say total opportunity amount. Let's see this. Is that already created? Let's see. Yeah. So there's a opportunity object. So let's say this one. So we have in opportunity object, we have one of the field. Its name is amount. That I already know. So which is amount? What's the amount? This is amount field. Okay. I'm saying I'm going to create a roller summary for the I want to sum for all the amounts. So this is for amount. Okay, why it is not showing name, phone number? Because text we can do the sum for number field where we have number, where we have integer, where we have some currency, right? Maximum minimum we can do for the date also. What is the maximum date? What is the minimum date and all? Date is also there. Number should also can also be there, right? So what I'm saying, what is the sum for the amount? Okay, so let's go to this and let's see what's the total opportunity. Opportunity total amount is 0. Why? So let's go to related and let's see. So we have this Ravindra Kumar 12. So let's see what's the amount here. So we have 0 amount. I'm saying we have 20,000 or 2 lakh. So let's save this one. Let me refresh this account now. Let's see what the amount would be updated here. ठीक है सो 20 आ गया सॉरी ये आ गया 2 लाख आ गया so if I'll clone this opportunity or it means I'm creating a new other opportunity and I'm saying it is like 1 2 3 4 whatever so this is amount let me refresh my account now I have two opportunity with different amount so this is 2,12,345 rupees. Okay, so I have two opportunity. How will I get to know it's a two opportunity? I'll go to related and I'll see how many opportunity do we have. These are two opportunity. One has 12,000 and one has 2 lakh. What's the sum for this one? It is summarizing on the in this field. If I'll create third one, let's say I'm creating a clone only. Clone means the duplicate records only. So we can change the name and everything. That's not matter. But yeah, I'm saying let's say this one. Okay, any random value I just it would be increased now because it is summarizing for all the child records. See, right? So this is a one of the feature in Salesforce where we say it's a roll-up summary. Okay, is that clear?
Yeah, it's clear.
Yeah, it's clear now.
I think that's sufficient for today then, Anna. हाँ यार आप लोगों का तो पता नहीं
That's clear, bro.